In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow third-party cookies in Google Chrome step by step so you can get websites, logins, and embedded tools working properly again. This is a quick browser setting, but it can make a big difference if a site is not remembering your preferences, not letting you sign in, or not loading correctly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots to open the main menu, and then click Settings. This will take you into Chrome's full settings page. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome keeps the controls for browsing data, site permissions, cookies, and other privacy options. Next, in the main center panel, find and click Third-Party Cookies. This section controls how Chrome handles cookies that come from websites other than the one you're directly visiting. On the next screen, you'll see the default behavior options. To allow third-party cookies, click the button next to Allow Third-Party Cookies. Once that's selected, Chrome will start allowing those cookies, which can help with sign-ins, shopping carts, video players, and other website features that rely on cross-site data. After you change the setting, you can simply close the Settings tab, and the change should take effect right away. If a website was having trouble before, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in if needed. And just so you know, if you ever want to reverse this later, you can return to the same third-party cookies section and choose a more restrictive option instead. So now you know exactly how to allow third-party cookies in Google Chrome in just a few clicks. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.